Hey, welcome back. This next tutorial will be on how to secure your Twitter account. So we'll be using the mobile app for this tutorial. So first, you open your Twitter app. Open your Twitter app while it's loading, and okay, look at the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture or your profile image. Okay, you click on it. All right, then you scroll down to settings and privacy. That's what you click on. Okay, then go down again and click on security and account access. Okay, click on it. All right, so next it's going to ask you for click on security, which is manage your account security. You click on it, and first one you see there is two-factor authentication. Okay, so you click on it, and okay, for two-factor authentication, how do you want it? This two-factor simply means if somebody is trying to log in your account, the person will first of all, this platform will first of all send you a code telling you that someone is trying to log in, that you should input that code. Okay, so that's what two-factor stands for. So let's say I want to use text message. So if somebody is trying to log in my account right now, okay, so I'm going to put my phone number, so I'm going to receive a text on my phone. Okay, so it's not working. Let's try another one. I don't want to use authentication app. Okay, let's try security. Okay, let's try the security key. Okay, this one is only for this security key is only when you're logging on your desktop. This text message isn't coming up. I don't know why. Okay, it's only available to Twitter Blue subscribers. Okay, all right, so meaning for you to be able to put this on, you must have the blue badge. Okay, or you use the authentication app. Let's see this. Okay, so you can use the authentication app, right? So you enter your passwords to log in, then it will take you to your authentication app. All right, so in my next video I'm going to show you how to download an authentication app and how to link it to your mobile app for security reasons. Okay, so just after this video I'll upload that video so it will be easy for you. All right, so thank you for watching this short training. So kindly share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. All right, and I'll respond quickly. And also I always give out free premium ebooks to my students. Okay, depending on the subject matter you want, just comment and subscribe and like, then I will send it to you. I'll contact you on how to get this free ebook. Thank you very much and stay blessed.